Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stair landing. First, carefully plan your landing's dimensions, ensuring it meets all local building codes for safety and structural integrity. Typically, the landing depth should be at least the width of the stairs it serves. Select durable materials, such as pressure-treated lumber for exterior applications, to withstand environmental elements and heavy foot traffic over many years. Next, we'll focus on framing the landing. Begin by cutting and assembling your perimeter joists to create a sturdy rectangular frame. If your landing connects to an existing structure, securely attach ledger boards using appropriate fasteners. Then, install interior joists, spaced typically at 16 inches on center, and reinforce them with blocking or joist hangers for maximum strength and stability. Now, let's move on to installing the decking and support. Lay your chosen decking material, such as 5/4-inch thick boards, across the framed landing, securing each piece with 2 screws at every joist. Maintain a small, consistent gap, typically 1/8 of an inch, between boards for proper drainage. For freestanding landings, dig footings at least 12 inches deep and set sturdy support posts in concrete. Finally, we'll cover finishing touches and essential safety measures. Install handrails and guardrails, ensuring they meet local building codes, typically requiring a height of 34 to 38 inches. Apply a weather-resistant finish to protect the wood and enhance its longevity. Before use, thoroughly inspect all connections and fasteners to confirm the landing is completely stable and safe for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.